Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we turn architectural dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting trends in modern architecture, the single-unit container home. At its core, a single-unit container home is a residential dwelling crafted from a single repurposed steel shipping container, typically a 20-foot or 40-foot high cube unit. Unlike larger modular complexes that stack multiple units, the single-unit approach focuses on maximizing the efficiency and aesthetic of one isolated structure. It represents a shift toward intentional living, where the industrial strength of global logistics meets the personal comfort of home design. These homes are the ultimate expression of upcycling, turning a vessel once meant for crossing oceans into a stationary sanctuary that is both portable and permanent. Choosing a single-unit container home offers a multitude of practical and financial advantages that traditional housing simply cannot match. First and foremost is the incredible cost-effectiveness. Because the primary structure is already built, you save significantly on raw materials and labor. Beyond the budget, these homes are champions of sustainability. By repurposing a steel container, you are reducing the carbon footprint associated with new construction and preventing industrial waste. Durability is another massive factor. These units are designed to withstand extreme weather and heavy loads, making them naturally fire-resistant and incredibly sturdy. Furthermore, their small footprint promotes a minimalist lifestyle that reduces energy consumption, while their inherent portability allows you to relocate your entire home if your life's journey takes you to a new landscape. Decorating the exterior of a container home is all about softening the industrial edges to create a welcoming atmosphere. One of the most effective ways to elevate the look is through a combination of high-quality cladding and strategic lighting. Using natural wood siding or composite panels can completely hide the steel ribs, giving the home a contemporary or rustic feel that blends into the environment. Large-scale glass installations, such as floor-to-ceiling sliding doors or garage-style glass walls, are essential for making a small unit feel expansive while reflecting the surrounding scenery. To ground the structure, consider adding a wraparound wooden deck or a stone patio, which effectively doubles your living space. Finally, integrate living elements like rooftop gardens or vertical planters to break up the flat lines and add a burst of organic color that makes the industrial steel feel like a part of the natural world. When it comes to styling these units, three main aesthetics currently dominate the market: industrial chic, scandi-minimalism, and the modern farmhouse. Industrial chic leans into the home's origins, using matte black or deep charcoal paints, exposed steel beams, and metallic finishes to celebrate the factory look. Scandi-minimalism, on the other hand, focuses on light-colored wood, white interiors, and massive windows to create a bright, airy sanctuary that feels much larger than its square footage. For those who want something a bit warmer, the modern farmhouse style utilizes white board and batten siding, pitched roof additions, and cozy porch swings to transform the container into a quaint cottage. Regardless of the style you choose, the key is to use contrasting textures, like smooth glass against corrugated metal or warm timber against cold steel, to create visual interest and architectural depth. Now, let's look at the top 10 best single-unit container homes ideas that perfectly illustrate these concepts, inspired by the incredible designs ideas. One, the Midnight Oasis Studio. This striking design features a deep navy blue corrugated exterior paired with bright orange accent seating. The large glass sliding doors and integrated deck lighting create a seamless transition between the cozy interior and the gravel pathway, making it the perfect backyard retreat or artist studio. 2. The Modern Industrial Guest Suite. This unit utilizes a classic 20-foot container painted in a sophisticated slate gray. The standout feature is the dual swinging cargo doors that open to reveal a fully glazed glass entryway, allowing the inhabitant to enjoy the garden view while maintaining a sleek, secure look when closed. 3. The Panoramic Forest Pavilion. A masterpiece of minimalism, this elongated unit uses floor-to-ceiling glass walls along its entire length. Set against a backdrop of pine trees, the interior's light wood cladding and minimalist furniture make the home feel like a transparent gallery floating in the middle of a meadow. 4. The Skydeck Residence. This cream-colored container home maximizes its vertical space by featuring a full-length rooftop terrace with a secure black railing. The exterior staircase leads to an elevated lounging area, proving that even a single unit can provide multiple levels of enjoyment and a great view of the surrounding greenery. 5. The Sunset Terrace Cabin. This design focuses on the outdoor living aspect with an expansive raised wooden deck. The dark charcoal container is softened by warm wood ceiling underhangs and blue Adirondack chairs, creating a luxury resort vibe that is perfect for watching the sun go down. 6. The Pergola Garden Retreat. This unit features a beautiful wooden pergola extending over the deck, providing dappled shade and a place for climbing plants. The dark gray steel is complemented by potted greenery and a stylish wicker chair, making it a perfect example of how to blend industrial materials with garden aesthetics. 7. The Blackwood Minimalist Villa. A stunning example of high-end design, this matte black container features a massive side opening that serves as a bedroom window. The concrete paver walkway and minimalist landscaping highlight the clean lines of the unit, offering a sophisticated take on tiny living. 8. The Surfside Blue Longhouse. This 40-foot unit is painted in a vibrant ocean blue, perfectly suited for a coastal setting. With multiple sliding glass entrances and a built-in outdoor shower area, it emphasizes a functional, breezy lifestyle design for those who love the water and the great outdoors. 9. The Luxury Rooftop Lounge. This black-clad unit is the ultimate entertainment space. It features a spiral staircase leading to a rooftop deck complete with a grill and lounge furniture, while the ground level boasts a stone patio with a fire pit, showing how a single container can become a multifunctional social hub. 10. The Glassfront Beachfront Studio. Designed for the coastline, this navy blue unit features an almost entirely transparent front. The elevated foundation protects it from the sand, while the interior layout, visible through the glass, shows a clever use of space including a kitchen, dining area, and a cozy bedroom with an ocean view. Single-unit container homes are more than just a housing alternative. They are a statement about how we can live more sustainably, creatively, and freely. Whether you are looking for a backyard office, a vacation getaway, or a permanent minimalist residence, these steel boxes offer a blank canvas for your imagination. The projects we've looked at today prove that with a little bit of design flair and a focus on indoor-outdoor flow, you don't need thousands of square feet to live a life that feels truly luxurious. If you enjoyed this tour of the world's best single-unit container homes, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architecture and decor inspiration. We want to hear from you. Which of the 10 designs we featured today was your favorite? Would you ever consider moving into a shipping container? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update on the future of home design. Thanks for watching.